Hi, Captain. How you doing? There we go. Are we longing, man? I think we are longing. I mean, we can short now. I mean, it's down 5%. Up there. Trade. Sleepy Captain. One bull run. Not today. Not today. Maybe today. Just being pushed down right now. We're doing small time frames, guys, small time frames. Fast slow scalp coming. Just bought to it. Venlada. I don't think you need to wait too long for Rada. I officially doubled my dot holdings by trading. Very nice, very nice. I need rights if I'm correct. Vinet, you'll get your rights. Okay, if it breaks up, we're gonna be breakout traders today, guys. We're gonna be breakout traders above 50 MA. Good enough for me, guys. Good enough for me. 100%, 50x. Oh, that's too much. Why is this 9.5? We kind of broke the trend on 50-second chart, so we're gonna do that. This is Bitcoin, of course. So close to making a mistake. Market 10x. %, long, market, open long. There we go, open long on Ethereum. Then we jump in now. I jumped in now. I don't know about you guys, but I jumped in. I jumped in like a madman. I was like, let's FOMO in on a 15-second chart because reasons. On a retest. Let's see up here, what's my entry price? 15.37. So let's put the line, let's use this line, 15.37. I don't know, it was 15.37 something, 15.37.10. Well, this isn't good. It's the bounce. It's coming there because of reasons. Yeah, because reasons. Oh man, guys, let's make a deal and never trade the 15-second chart ever again. %2 loss. Imagine that. How fast was that? How fast was that? we are just warming up, guys. We're just warming up. Not afraid of the falling knife. Nah. We ain't afraid of nothing. Nothing. We are afraid of nothing. But we can buy. We're gonna try to do a different strategy. We're gonna try to buy overextension because right now there are no overextensions. There are some overextension down here. This is 1 minute chart. Let's go to 5 minute chart. We don't need MACD for this. I think it wants to dump another one towards downside. Very much this thing is just holding. This is closing profit. The game is to make money. What you mean closing profit? You know, we trade 15-second chart, you know, and it went against us. You know, we gotta close on the 15-second chart. You up on 15 seconds, you close on 15 seconds. Where are the lines? Where are the lines? Let's see 30-minute chart. 30 minutes is overextended like F, man. 30 minutes is like hugely overextended. I think we are close, but you know, how close can that be? Maybe that was that. Still doesn't have the power to push through. Bitcoin going up. 5 seconds. This is 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Bitcoin break this 1 minute chart over here. Bitcoin did 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. What level is this? 35. But no reaction on the after breakout. Falling wedge, maybe some kind of falling wedge up here. Getting smacked, so you know we want to buy down there. 30 right now, it's 33. How much is this downside? 3% again. Bitcoin retested. Yeah, let's go long. It's gonna create a doji on the other Bitcoin one. This is 1 minute charts. Probably other coins, but we haven't been watching other coins, you know. Yeah, that's pretty, it's good enough for me. 54 seconds. Let's bet that this is gonna work out. Let's bet that this is gonna work out. What you guys think? I think we wanna bet that this is gonna work out for whatever reason, right? Open, long, confirm. This is gonna work out, right? Once you see Amazon versus Bitcoin chart, the crypto savvy always telling it's correlating. Amazon chart is correlating. I don't know about that. 15, 35, 50. 15, 35, 50. There we go. Challange 1535 5. This Bitcoin bounced up here, a little bit up here. Just coming to the first move. Ethereum not so much. But it did get above 10-20 moving average up here. Still, you know, failed to get above the resistance. We're gonna be losing like 3% like 50 times in a row today, guys. We're gonna be losing 3% 50 times in a row. Then I'll let it go a little bit. What Emma is this? 10, 20, 10, 20, 50. This is 10. White one is 10. I'm pulling up here. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, I mean. It's not extreme or anything like that, but you know, can we expect these kind of dumps? I'm betting it's gonna bounce. It's bouncing so far. So far, okay. Where does this sad music come from, man? See 15-second chart, second charts. It looks good. It looks good. It's okay. We are up in profit now, guys. We are up in profit right now. Something like 1.40, 1.6%. Started at 12.77. We are at 12.54 right now. You know, minus fees is like $5. I think Bitcoin will go 21.166 towards the upside. 166, let's run up here. Yeah, maybe, give or take. 140, 20 MA up here. There we go. It's okay. So it broke this trend over here finally. I think this is pretty much broken. This some 1 minute trend is broken, but the 5 minute trend, we got nothing on the 5 minute trend right now. It is above 10 MA, which is not good. Which is good. Up here there is the line up here, so it can climb at like 55 or something like that. Maybe just maybe. $50. That's a 67. What do you look when big trend ups are about to end for you to enter? Overextensions, pretty much overextensions. Support lines, big support lines on big time frames. Is this Bitcoin he's in? Nah, we are having Ethereum trade. I don't know why Ethereum. I mean, there is definitely other coins that you know, gonna pump more, something like that. But I've been looking at Ethereum, so I was like, let's do Ethereum. So you can see here went down here, started curving towards sideways up here, and it was already overextended on some you know, some time frames. I think 30 minutes was, you know, super overextended towards downside over here. You can see down here extensions on the, so it was hugely overextended. And I was like, yeah, it's curving, it's curving. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Any 7.5% up right now, we're gonna lose all the profits, but you know, whatever. Guys, you know what this means? You know what this means. Jumped in vertical loss, but I'm 5% up. Nice gap, nice game. You guys, you know what this means. Once we in profit, we do 5 minute break. Be right back, guys. Oh, somebody called me. My mom. I gotta call my mom. Evo, kući sam, radim. Šta ti ima?
Nema ništa, rekao da vidim, ne date me zovnuti. Niti ni Maja.
Niti ja, Maja. Radim sad sam na kompjuteru. Mogu to malo kasnije nazvati? Treba, hoš izlaziti iđe?
Nemam pojma.
Ne pojma.
Samo da vidiš, radiš kako si i to je to.
Ništa, djeca u školi, u vrtiću, ja evo sad radim malo. Nazvat ću ja malo kasnije.
Dobro, hajde.
Ćao. Always pick the phone when your mom calls. She complains that I haven't called her in a while, so there is that. We're up, guys, we're up. Our trade is working out well. 15-second chart working out well. 12% up right now. Right now we got a... What do you mean by overextensions? When you have some kind of moving average, right? These are moving averages. These are moving averages. Let's take a certain moving average, for example, 200 moving average. When you have the price, often follows the moving averages. When you have the price overextend away from the moving averages, this is overextension, and usually it bounces back to that moving average and then continues following moving average. So it doesn't go, you know, there are certain levels that, you know, that we consider overextended away from the moving averages. Then you can use different moving averages like 10, 20, 50, you know, to look for overextension on different time frames as well. Bigger time frames are more important than small time frames and so forth. But these overextensions, right, they do tend to be a good indicator that it's gonna reverse. So if you see here on the chart right now, we have been, you know, here, you know, a bunch of moving averages. We went down too fast, got overextended towards downside. So, you know, at least some kind of bounce towards the upside might actually occur. And you know, once that happens, we start looking for some kind of entry on downside. Once this trend over here starts to break towards the upside, oftentimes you get this you know, reversal towards the moving averages, right? We gotta, do we have a divergence on the chart up here? There's no divergence on 1 minute chart, so everything looks fine so far. But we are hitting this 20 MA up here. Keep emotional moving averages in check. Are we long? Yeah, we're long. Please fix your display, dude. Can you remove timing break? Yeah. And add that we are in a long trade and eat. I mean, here it says, you know, eat long trade up here on the side. Okay. Eat long trade. So let's see up here, small time frames. I tend to get direct. I'm trying to catch these falling knives. Sometimes they just keep pushing lower and lower and lower. Yeah, catching falling knives is not advisable. I mean, the divergences have built up. Yeah, divergences are very, you know, scammy indication. So on the 5 minute chart, we don't have any kind of a double wick up here. I think we are getting to some kind of top up here. If this starts breaking on the downside, it looks like it's gonna break on the downside. I think we're gonna close the trade. I mean, it's 10% profit, so you know, whatever, 8% profit. It's a scalp, whatever. Right, we are up right now, so it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's all good. We closed the trade. No trade. No trade. There we go. because on the 5 because we entered on the 15 second chart right over here, and although it does go towards upside, these bigger time frames don't have this pattern up here. Now if this was, for example, you know, 4 hourly time frame, then we could have you know, held for, you know, 5 days or something like that, and you know, it would have been fine. But you know, when you enter on the 15 second chart, they don't tend to play out for that long, right? And if you look at it on the 5-minute chart up here, we still haven't broken the trend up here. So you know, this is only first retest towards the upside up here right now. So I'm expecting this to actually move a little bit lower again towards downside again. Then we can get on the 5-minute chart and maybe then towards the upside. Oh, I made 18 cents low. Maybe I get wrecked. Maybe it's right next time. Yeah, you're doing a lot of trades, Captain. How are your trades doing? You said you doubled your DOT account, but you know, how are you overall doing? Look the volume on the downside down here. This is a 1 hourly chart, but 4 hourly chart we also got this week on the downside, which is nice, which I was actually waiting for. I think we need another move to, I mean, this can of course go towards the upside, but I think, you know, we might get another move down here and then go towards the upside again. So if it goes down here again, we're gonna catch it. But it looks like just climbing up here, right? It might have already broken on the downside. Depends on how you look at it. I would have left it. Yeah, I mean, we could definitely have left it, but we entered on a very low time frame up here, and if you look at it here on the low time frame over here, it looks like it already broke the trend. So right now, it's just, you know, hugging this trend line up here. And if it breaks right now this line on the downside, I think it might actually, you know, go down here and then break on the downside as well, because this big trend up here, I think it's broken. So right now, just hugging this, you know, exhaustion up here, and breaks on the downside. Now, on the other hand, if it breaks towards the upside, it might do another bigger move towards the upside. So we're gonna see it right now if over here. It looks like it's losing the pace a little bit. There we go. Wise move to move long. Too long. We'll find an entry to enter with you. I don't know. We've been losing a lot lately, though. I mean, not lately. I mean, for the last month and a half, we've been losing a S-ton, and it's not even exaggeration or anything like that. You can see down here, we've been losing a lot. I mean, in the start, it was going very good. Everybody's getting very excited. We came to, you know, 2,500, and then we went onto the losing streak, and right now we're at 1277. So, you know, everything we tried, you know, it's been bad. So there's that. I think it's losing this one as well. Just do the opposite of what you think. Yeah, sometimes that might work. I think it's gonna pull back down. I think we can short this. Can we short this? Let's do a short. 100% open short, confirm. There we go. We open a short up here somewhere, right? It's losing the trend towards downside down here. It's 1553 short. 1553 short to 1553. It's just a short-term short. We are scalping right now. It broke the big trend up here. It broke the secondary up here towards the upside up here. I think it's gonna go down here. It's gonna break this towards downside. We're gonna get a lower down here level. Maybe. you know, right now we are holding support, so it might be 5-6%, something like that. Watch the wreckage now. This game music sound is back. Yeah, there is 1 or 2 songs that are good in this playlist. I think it's losing, it's both losing the steam, you know, it's been, you know, having big moves and slow moves up here. It wants to go up, but you know, it's kind of having a little bit hard time up here above that. There we go, and we lost. I feel like this is a venture game. It's okay. We can accept a small loss, guys. We can accept a small loss. It needs to go all the way up here, you know, 6-7% or something like that. We can accept the small loss, it's fine. I'm scalping KNC long. Imagine shorting the bottom. %. No. I didn't just do that. We shorted the bottom and we closed the top. Well done, Sasha, well done. Professional traders. And right now we are more down than we are up, like 12.58. You know, this scalping game is gonna kill us, guys. This scalping game is gonna kill my account. No joke. The scalping game is gonna kill my account. Binance has less fees. You need to stop doing this to us, man. Wanna say something, please? Close it short, no trade. Guys, you do what you wanna do, right? I do what I wanna do, right? You do your money, I do my money. You know, you trade what you wanna trade, I trade what I wanna trade, right? And I'm telling everybody, like, I'm not the trader, guys. I'm not the trader. People get, you know. Mega bouncing, yeah, mega bouncing. We are pretty well right on the long. Should have kept it open. Had a, you know, legendary position down here at 35. Closed prematurely, but you know, it was still 8% up. I'm 7% up on KNC. This will eventually, of course, bounce back down again. You know, that's just the way how stuff works. There we go. Now it's bouncing back down. No more second trading. Took my 7%. It's a lot easier to get wrecked than to win. think about the big picture. Yeah, but big picture is down here, right? The big picture was, you know, 35. We went up 35. I mean, we had like a very good entry point down here, 35. On the 4 hourly as well. But, you know, we are looking at this, you know, 5-minute time frame. We might get another move, you know, down here. And then towards upside, because we only have one touch on the downside. Right now we're just bouncing up, getting everybody to FOMO in. So, you know, it's no worries, guys, no worries. And the trend over here right now looks like it might be getting broken. Spreadsheet update. We can update the spreadsheet while we wait. What they say, 22nd, 8, 22, trade 42, eat long, 1277, and we ended up at, what did we end up at? First trade, close short, close long, 94 dollarinos, so 1277 plus 94, 1371. Then we have the second trade, 822, 43, eat short, 1371, and we are right now at 1258, I think. So down, it says 113 bucks down. So how can this actually be? Let me double check this. It says only 72 bucks down, but you know, we are at 1258. But this is before the, I think this is before or after fees, because it wasn't 3071. Let me double check that. We got the information. Why is the stream so bad? 60p. Oh, am I really streaming in 60p? I need to, guys, you need to remind me to change this, man. Why am I streaming, you know, trading stream in 60p, 60 fps? $12.58. It was before we. See, it was 1331. 1331. So this was 1331. So it was only 54 bucks. And then 1331, 73 bucks down. Yeah, this is without the fees, right? So this 94 bucks over here, this is before the fees, and then after fees is like a lot less, right? So this close P&L, this is can you see order history, close short, field market positions. Keep the 60 FPS so you keep trading 1 second charts. We're gonna go to the milliseconds. The market close, which costs more than I think. The market which costs more, I think. We got rejected from the bear flag. But it's bearish engulfing candle on the support up here. I still think that we can actually fall below down here, because we already broke the trend a little bit up here right now. So this this trend over here got broken, and we had this trend over here. This was the first trend, right? First we were, you know, rising towards the upside, then we broke it, then we tried to retest that, then we failed that, then we went down, then we broke the trend on the downside, and right now we have this trend over here. And if we break this on the downside right now we can definitely get rejected and get this low in again, which can give us another long option. There's no break for me going up. There we go. We prematurely, so if we had, kept our shorts open, we have been profit, but so, there's that. We prematurely, you get too emotional when you're trading 15-second charts, so maybe we need to stop doing that. Wrote bear flag and retested now. On Bitcoin, bear flag. Just talking about on the daily time frame. If this is, I think this is a lot more legit line than this over here. I think this down on the downside down here is the hopium. I think this is the line that we actually broke. And if you look at it like this over here, what you're gonna notice is that this line, it's been broken for a long while right now. So right now we just, we just dumping. But there are definitely more, support levels up here. This support level got broken, retested, failed to hold that. We got some kind of support level down here that we are holding still. And after that, you gotta go, you can see down here at Rothstein's line. Then we got these two on the bottom side down here. These are daily support levels. Now, the trend lines, when it comes to these, how are you gonna draw this? If you use just the bottom wicks down here, looks like we are holding that. Still thinking this needs to break on the downside. Mohammed, get your kids off the keyboard, man. Scalping EOS, not 2 hourly. 2 hourly bear flag, oh, okay. Let's use Qcoin chart. No, let's use something else. Bitfinex, Bitstamp. Let's use Bitfinex chart. So if you look at this, yeah, we did retest that. Laden is correct. But if you look at it like this over here, you can also draw this down here. So this channel that Laden is talking about, the 2 hourly channel that we just retested. If you would consider lower leverage activity. Yeah, I would consider. I was actually thinking doing just 10x but on 50% of the account, or lower leverage like 5x or something like that on a full account. But I think we are still $1,000. I think we're still low. I think when if account gets a little bit bigger, maybe, just maybe, we're gonna consider something else. This line actually held. Bouncing off of the support lines up here. This actually looks like it can actually continue towards the upside. It's not hopium. There's the real flag. Use the wick on your hopium line on daily. It lines up perfectly. We didn't break any bear flag. So here's the channel on Laden's channel right now. We are hitting that on the dollar right now. On 1 minute chart. This looks like, cup and handle. So if you break this towards upside right now, you're gonna see some nice levels, Price volume is nice at the moment. There we go, Laden, we are getting back inside this thing. But it's 1 minute chart, like who cares, right? Yeah, this is just bouncing. That was the pullback, guys. That was the pullback. Going back above the line up here. And this trend up here right now. Getting broken towards upside. Yeah, should not have shorted. Should have just kept the trade, you know, open. There's that. What can I say? I'm an emotional beast. I can't control myself, guys. I can't control myself. But it was a nice trade. The second trade was, you know, overconfidence on the short side. That bear flag rejection. Yeah. But guys, we've been streaming right now for how long? 48 minutes, and this is going a little bit up. So you know, the trade that I wanted to take is already done down here. So no, we did that because I was seeing that we were getting into overextensions. We are curving towards downside, so we started the stream to take the trade. We did the trade. We the first one went nice. The second one, you know, overconfidence towards the downside failed. Bulls too strong towards the upside. Might retrace a little bit eventually. 2 times that I said it's gonna retrace, it failed to do that. It's going up, so I think bulls are a little bit strong on the short-term time frames right now. We might do another trade later today, but right now I have stuff to do, so you know I gotta go and do the stuff. Besides that, I hope you had a nice stream. We're gonna do another stream. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button on the way out. Join Qcoin because reasons. And I'll see you later, guys. I'll see you later. Okay, maybe there will be another trade and stuff like that, right? But I really got stuff to do right now, so you know I gotta get that done. Okay. Okay, guys. 5 days till the new moon. We haven't pumped yet. It's coming anytime. Guys, okay, last thing, the supermoon, guys, the supermoon. This is the worst supermoon ever, man. We started up here, we went down up here, we got something like 5 days left up here. Unless this, you know, pumps for right now, this is gonna be the worst supermoon in history of the supermoons. Hit the like button on the way out, guys. I'll see you around. Bye bye. Join Qcoin.
Boom.